name's Peter Bennett. This short tutorial is to teach subcontractors on Astina Group projects how to use Snagger, specifically how to close off any defects that have been sent to you. Now, you've got two tools available to you. One's the tablet or phone that's got the app, the Snagger app on it, and the other tool is the web browser. You can view Snagger on the web browser. Now, I'll mainly concentrate on the app in this video, but I'll also introduce you to the web browser. So first of all, you see I'm a fictitious subcontractor called City Carpet King. And I want to, first of all, go into Snagger. At this stage, I've loaded the app onto my tablet. I could have done that on my phone. I've loaded the project onto the app, and now I'm at a point where I can log in and view the plans. And you'll see that this is a home page, and it gives you a list of all of the plans that we've loaded onto Snagger for you to work with. These ones, because it's a training site, these little drill downs take you to the actual plans, and we haven't loaded all the plans on, but the actual drill downs on the actual project will be all complete. But what you do as a subcontractor, if you're on site and you want to know what outstanding defects you have or what you've fixed, you'll hit the menu bar and then hit dashboards. And here you'll see at the moment, City Carpet King has two open defects, and they've fixed one of them. If I want to actually have a look at them, you can actually see this one's in building A1 on level 1 in apartment 209, and this one's in building A1 level 1 210. If I was heading out to apartment 209 to fix the problem, and I would hit that and it will open the defect in the actual location on site where it is. You would fix it and then hit this little tick at the bottom, and you've got two options: quick close and close and comment. We'll ask you always to close and comment. That gives you, one, the ability to comment, but two, the ability to take a picture of the fixed issue. So if I hit close and comment, it gives me the camera option. Up here I can hit this and take a picture, or I can go and grab a picture from my phone of it fixed. So I just hit that one so we can see, and the problem's fixed. I take a photo, I use the photo. I could go back into the photo, hit the crayon here, and actually point to the spot where I fixed it. That embeds that into the photo. I could put a comment here, but I won't, and I'll just save. So now that defect's gone green. A defect is basically either a defect is if it's orange, it's new and it's got to be done by a certain time. If you wanted to know the certain time, it's due by the 16th of April in this particular case. And this defect is fixed. So one last thing we have to do is we've actually only been recording this activity on the actual tablet or phone at this point. We haven't synchronized to the cloud and told the main contractor that you've fixed this item. So we go up to the menu, and you'll see here that there's a synchronized project button, and there's one item to be synchronized. I hit that, and you'll see that it'll sync. That information now is available on the web browser for the main contractor to see and for you to see. Now I'm going to take you to the web browser. We've finished with the tablet for the moment, and we'll have a look at that. Now, here we are at the web browser, and you will see that it's got the same plan with the same drill downs, and we do have a couple of different options over here. One is we're currently on, which is the plan viewer, and a list of all of the plans that are available there. You'll see this number 3, that means that you know that you have 3 defects on this particular drawing. And if we drill into it, again, you'll see there's the defect we just fixed on site and synchronized to tell the main contractor and yourself when you came back. Here's the other fixed defect, and then there's 1 remaining. And if we go to the issue dashboard, you'll see that you've got 1 open and 2 fixed. And you're also seeing over here there's a 4th defect that we closed some time ago. So it's over there closed. It's been checked and signed off and closed. There's a filter here for you to be able to, once you can filter by drawing. The contractor obviously is a bit irrelevant because you can only filter by yourself as a subcontractor. You can only see what you need to see. But that simplifies things for you. There's 3 options along here, just different views that give you more detail. This is probably an interesting one. We took a photo just then of the fixed item, so you can see both the original item that was identified as an issue or a defect, and you can see that Carpekin has actually marked it as fixed and taken a photo, and that was at 2:03 on this day. So that's very helpful because the main contractor could just pick that up and close it, with enough information there. Okay, so I don't want to tell you too much more. You can, one thing I would like you to know is that up here in the top right-hand corner, you can always go to help and support. That will take you to our Help Juice user manual, and you can ask it whatever question you like, and it'll come up and show you both an example of how to do that with an Android device and or an Apple device, depending on which one you've got. So don't forget that you can always go up here and go to help and support. The other support you've got is a chat line where you can have a conversation with one of the Snagger support staffs and ask them a specific question. All right, thank you for your time. I'll sign off.